What's up, buddy?
You think we're gonna paint it tonight? What's going on, guys? I'll be painting my car today. We prepped it last night and we're gonna be going over to Coda's. Let's go over there right now. Gotta paint the arrow now. Coda put the side skirts and the rear bumper on, and he put that headlight in, and I put that headlight in this fender. Still gotta put on the other side skirt, front bumper, and roof wing. Car's all painted. Got the kit on, not the front bumper. Looks pretty good. Brand new tires all around. I'll be drifting in, today's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'll be drifting in 3 days, so gonna put on an oil cooler tomorrow.